Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture preparing the dataset for training. So here first of all we have to do the setup in Google Colab. So how we'll be moving the files and how to connect them with Google Drive and Google Colab. Then we'll be unzip it and then finally we'll do the visual inspection. So let's jump into our notebook. Okay, so I think everybody remembers this particular tf41.x folder that we have created in our Google Drive. And everything like models research, this pattern is there. So right now what I will do, I will just move the dataset inside the research folder. So this is my research folder. Okay, I will just try to move my dataset. Where is my dataset? Right now it's in my local. So this is my dataset folder. I will just compress that. Okay, I think my compression is ready. Then I will just try to minimize this one and I will just move it here. Dataset.slip. Right now you can see actually it's being uploaded. Within a minute it will be done. And in the meantime, is something like this is my collab uh, TFOD setup notebook. Okay, so here we'll be doing our custom training. Right now, the first thing is we'll be loading the data set. So the first thing that we need to do is go inside this TF41.x models research. So I have just done a CD. And now you can see it's the path where I am. Now let me check -ls whether there is a dataset.zip. You can check actually. So here is dataset.zip. In the next step, I will be doing basically the unzipping of it. So unzip dataset.zip and it will be unzipped. The unzipping is done. Now from drive, let's check actually. So everything is fine or not. So here TFODX, models, then research. Inside research, there should be a folder called as dataset. Inside that, there should be train and test. Okay. So here are the images. So let me just increase this one. Okay. And if I just try to open one random picture, you can just double click and you can see it here. Okay, so the visual inspection is done. So here everything is fine. And even my test.csv file is there. And similar structure for train also. In train, a lot of files are there. You can just click on any of them. And you can always do a manual check. And there will be a file called as train.csv, which holds our annotations. And this particular data we'll be using. So here you can see train.csv. We just try to open this one. Okay, so could not fetch actually. So here it could not be rendered. But you can go through using a cat command. Now let me just close this window for now. Using this view it looks better actually, so you can see the images in their full font. I will be closing all these images because I need to focus on the notebook. So this is the notebook that I have got. Now I have done the unzipping of the data and the visual inspection is done. In the next step, okay, we'll be moving some files related to our TF record generation, and finally we will start our training. So guys, see you in the next lecture.